So this is our chicken. We can start with salt. Put salt. And there's the other one. And then pepper. Laging salt and pepper ang simulan nyo. Kasi salt and pepper, okay na eh. So, pwede kayo mag-experiment sa gusto nyong rub. Pwedeng garlic rub or ito, Italian seasoning. Just for the smell of it. Curry. So this is buttered turbo broiled chicken. So meron tayong butter na tutunawin natin at room temperature. Papahid natin yan sa huli. Sa last ng ating turbo session, 1 hour at 200 degrees per chicken. This chicken 3/4 kilo each. So pag 3/4 kilo each, pwede na yung 1 hour at 200 degrees. Ayan, massage lang natin yung nilagay natin Okay. Yung nilagay nating rub. So ganyan siya, ganyan siya ang forma niya. Yung skin sa ibabaw. Okay? Set aside muna natin ng 5 minutes. This is just an ordinary turbo broiler. Ordinary. So we put water sa ilalim. Kasi parang giant blower to eh. Parang hot air ang nagluluto. Tapos lagyan natin ng star anise, pampabango. Wow. Yes. Maybe some ginger for the smell din. Ginger smell. Okay. Ganda yung water para hindi mawala yung moisture niya. Let's put one. Diyan. Okay, yan. Tapos just lagay natin yung turbo. So it's set at 200. Right here 200. Let's set it at 60 minutes or 1 hour. Okay. Go. Balikan natin siya after 30 minutes, okay? Tunawin natin itong butter kasi papahid natin to halfway tsaka sa end. Papahid natin sa ating chicken para maging buttered chicken. So yung chicken natin, meron na siyang salt and pepper, kaya may lasa na yan. Salt and pepper or onion powder, Italian seasoning or turmeric sa ilalim, may star of anise, ginger, para sa smell, para mawala yung farm smell ng chicken. Let's prepare the salad. So 15 minutes in, let's check. Let's put our butter on the chicken. Make it moist. Okay, continue. This is our salad. Tomato, onions, and finger chili. In vinegar. Vinegar lang ang nilagay dito. This one, spiced vinegar. It's got spices inside. Toss. Here's our butter. So 40 minutes in. 40 minutes in na. Let's check our chicken. So yan, medyo ano na siya, malutong ang itsura niya. Lagyan natin ng butter. Wings and legs. Okay. Continue. So konti na lang natitira. 15 minutes na lang. 1 hour na. And cook na yon sa 1 hour. Our butter chicken. So yan yung water with the ginger and star anise. Last 5 minutes. Lagyan uli natin ng butter. Last 5 minutes. Okay, last 5 minutes. Almost done. See? It's almost done. So let's open it. Plate it. Here's our giant plate. So, ayan. Ito na yung ating buttered chicken. This is our buttered chicken. 60 minutes, 200 degrees. That's it. Like and subscribe. Peace. Okay, gawin naman natin yung next one. This time, lagay tayo ng potato sa underneath. Lagay tayo ng potatoes. Kasama na siya sa pakukuluan. So, yan. Okay. So, may potatoes tayo dyan. Then, let's put our chicken. The next chicken. Charan. Again, same 60 minutes. 200 degrees centigrade. Butterize this chicken. Yes. Okay. The wings. Everything. Ooh, smells delicious. Look at that. And then of course we have our potato. Put some salad. So this is the second butter chicken with potato. And this potato with butter. Yes. Okay. That's it for the second butter chicken. Like and subscribe. Peace.